Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions. Bright and early Saturday morning, coming to you from Lake Elmo. And I'm here to get as much of this fence wrapped that I can by 1 o'clock because there is an event going on here at Cedar Grove Farms. Matt, who owns the property, his father passed back in November, and they're having a big celebration of life for his father today, and they're expecting a lot of people here. So I'm just going to get as much done as I can and get out of here before people start getting here. So I'll probably knock off at about noon. It's I don't know what time it is. I think it's 8:40 or something like that. So let me turn you around and show you where I'm at. All right, here, okay, I started in that corner right there. Did all the way to right where that ladder is. And I'm gonna start right now, and I figure in about an hour, I'll be down to that post, and I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna start at that post and go all the way down to this post right here. And then I am going to start putting together the gates because that's as far as I can go until I get the gates on, because I don't want to zip tie anything to the post when I'm going to have to adjust some the male parts of the gate. The male, well, basically there's a female that goes on the gate that hooks on to, I'll just walk over there and show you. I know some people know what I'm talking about, but see how we have, that's a male. See how it has a wiener, and the female doesn't, has a hole. But anyway, I will adjust these, set the gate on, and it will just sit right on there. And then I adjust it. Oh, it looks like a bird shit on there. And then hang the door, or hang the gate. And they're 2 5-foot gates, which is in a 10-foot opening. And once the gates are on, then I can finish wrapping this. I don't think I'm gonna finish today because putting these gates together takes time, and they're, it's basically in a kit. I got to put them all together. So I'll probably end up coming back Monday morning and finishing up the fence. And then the last thing I have to do is put the rodent prevention at the bottom of the fence. I have some stakes that I will drive in at the base of this fence. Let me just go over here. I have like 100 stakes, I think, and basically they will go into the bottom and you'll pound them in and it will hold everything down. But that doesn't really keep burrowing rodents out. So I have some metal or wire fence that is 3 feet high, and basically what we'll do is roll it out and then bend it in an L shape, zip tie it to the fence here, and then the part that is on the ground we're going to bury a few inches down. So all these animals that try to burrow to get in this food producing space are going to hit that aluminum or wire fencing, and they won't be able to burrow underneath. So that's just added protection. 8 feet high so the deer can't get in. And then we also do rodent control. So you do not have to add that, but we are going to add that because we're out. I think this property is about 20 acres. There's a lot of wildlife out here. A lot of rabbits, a lot of deer, a lot of other stuff. And the more food that starts growing here, the more wildlife that is going to be attracted to this place. That is one of the, you can call it a benefit, more wildlife, because this is going to be a beautiful space. So yeah, that's one of them. But I'm going to get started, and I forgot my GoPro at home, so I'm doing phone videos, and we'll see how they turn out. But we'll see. Anyway, that's that, and I'm going to get started. Have an amazing Saturday. I will have more images and video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and help me grow this channel and help me plant food forests everywhere. Grow food, not lawns. See ya.